Kamusta mga ka-job seekers? Doon po sa mga kababayan natin na under visitor visa at hanggang ngayon po ay naghahanap pa rin po kayo ng opportunity dito sa Canada para ma-convert yung inyong status from visitor to work permit. Meron na lang po kayo hanggang February 28 of 2025 kasi according po doon sa public policy na nilabas ng Canada.ca, visitors can continue to apply for work permits inside Canada with temporary policy extended by 2 years. This policy was released since February 28 of 2023 pa po. Foreign nationals who are in Canada as visitors and who receive a valid job offer will continue to be able to apply for and receive a work permit without having to leave the country. So, limited na lang po yung time natin para ma-convert natin yung visitor visa natin into a work permit.